In this video, I'll guide you through how to manage Dropbox links so you can share files confidently and stay in control of who sees what. We'll cover how links actually work, how to set the right permissions and security, and finally, how to review and manage all the links you've created in one place. Let's start with what a Dropbox link really is. When you share a link, you're not moving or duplicating the file. Think of it like creating a doorway that leads to the original file in your Dropbox. The file stays where it is, you're just deciding who gets a key to that doorway. Most of the time, when you create a shared link, it's set to view only by default. That means people can open the file, look at it, and depending on your settings, maybe download it, but they can't change it. This is ideal for things like final reports, invoices, or reference documents where you don't want anyone editing the original. If you do want someone to collaborate, you have two main options. You can invite them directly to the folder or file, which gives them access as a member rather than just a viewer. Or if your Dropbox plan supports it, you can adjust the link settings and change it from can view to can edit. This is available on professional and business plans and is great for shared projects, team documents, or anything that needs feedback and updates. Next, let's talk about permissions and security because you don't want to just send a link and forget it. Dropbox gives you several useful safety nets to keep your data protected. One powerful option is adding a password to a link. With a password in place, even if someone forwards the link to another person, they still need the code to see the file. This is especially helpful for sensitive documents like contracts, financial information, or internal company files. You can also set expiration dates on your links. Think of this as making the link self-destruct after a certain period, like a week or a month. It's perfect when you're working with temporary contractors, short-term clients, or sharing something that's only relevant for a limited time. Once the expiration date passes, the link stops working automatically, so you don't have to remember to go back and turn it off. Another useful control is disabling downloads. With this setting, people can preview the file in their browser, but can't save a local copy. It's not foolproof protection, but it does add a layer of friction that's helpful for things like design previews, drafts, or documents you only want viewed online. Now, let's look at what I like to think of as your command center for managing existing links. If you've shared dozens of links over time, it can be hard to remember which ones are still active. Instead of digging through folders one by one, you can use a single view on Dropbox's website. Log in to dropbox.com and look at the left-hand sidebar. Click on Shared. At the top of that page, you'll see a tab labeled Links. Go ahead and select that. This page shows you a master list of every active link you've created. From here, you can review what's still out there, change settings, or delete links you no longer need. You can do this one by one or adjust multiple links in a row, which is really efficient if you're cleaning things up after a project ends. Using this command center regularly helps you keep your Dropbox organized, your files secure, and your shared links fully under your control.